Get ready for your cherry energy blast. This is a great breakfast, keeping you full, making you feel satisfied, but giving you that burst of energy. Let's start off with just a slice of watermelon, terrific for sport. We're also going to put in some cherries, do some research on them. They're wonderful when you mix them with the watermelon as well. In there comes a handful of frozen berries. Any sort of mixed berries will do. We want the deep, dark red pigments. And in there is some beetroot as well. That gives us the vegetable element that's going to lower the blood sugar levels down. So put another little slice of beetroot, and I'm really happy to say I'm using my formula for healthista, the lean vegan diet protein. I've chosen the chocolate flavour this time, just one scoop. It's going to give it a chocolatey taste, but it's got hemp, pea, and it's also got rice protein in there. We don't need anything extra, just some water. 200 mils, and then we're going to blast this decadent tasting chocolate smoothie that's healthy for about 30 seconds. If you think vegan can't be delicious, then just try this one. Have a look at the beautiful colours, and I tell you what, it tastes as good as it looks.